What's up, mate?
It's not Monday morning, it's Monday just after lunch.
Yeah.
Camera's not been on. Just, I don't know, I've got it out for the hell of it. So what's going on here?
What's up, mate?
What's going on here? Let's
Waiting for my man to do some blocks.
Kieran's with us. Quick update of the day. We're up on the table lift, me and Craig, we work together today. We've done alright today, considering we've just been going easy really, haven't we? Yeah. No stress, no drama. There you have, thank you again. I reckon we finished this today, you know. Well, not far off anyway. It's Tuesday, Valentine's Day. Love is in the air, isn't it, Sean? He's hiding. 100% hiding when I talk about love and Valentine's Day. Anyway, I'll tell you what the job is today. The job today is, we're in Menai Bridge. Probably the best cup of coffee you'll have off a customer. That's why I skipped my coffee this morning. The garage. So there was a garage here. You might remember the video when I was in there doing a wall. The woman in the house offered to lift the steel up for us. So what we've got today is put a course of block and a course of brick on here. Might have to take them off. Bed a wall plate all the way around. Put a new lintel on here. Put a lintel on. Good morning. Best cup of coffee off a customer you'll ever get. This roof is going to come off today, and then that's going to be raised as well with a new lintel. Dig a little footing here, block it up, new window going here. So yeah, probably a day's work. Yeah, we'll get our love on. Right, so been waiting for the height here to go to, and the joiners just marked the wall for me here. So the top of the wall plate is that. I could have worked out myself, but because this on the drawing it says this floor is having 140mm Kingspan insulation in 4x2 floor joists, so you got 100mm floor joist to take 140mm insulation in between. So so what Darren has worked out now is, well, they were going to put a floating floor, yeah, because the garage floor is way out of level, and that's maybe why they wanted to do this, the joists, the floor joists on there. Anyway, there's 100mm insulation here, so we're assuming that it's 100mm off here. So he's worked out 350 off the finished floor, so your 22mm floorboard and a 100mm insulation, and then 350 off that. So he's marked out here for us, so that works out to about 290, sorry, 675, so 360 makeup. But I got a wall plate which is 75mm on 360, so about 290, just under 290, so it doesn't work to brick gauge. Plus the bricks we got, go and grab one of them bricks over there, Sean. And my tape, grab my tape, is it there? It's on the floor there, yeah. So these are the bricks that we have to use, okay, which are, the bricks themselves are 71, 72. That and the bricks are 72mm as well, so it might be slightly higher than that. So you're saying you've got a soft fit here, that's okay. We're trying to figure out what's what here. I'll let you know. At a tatws. It's the first I've heard of that one. At a tatws. Weather's turned a bit mingy now. Turned a bit mingy now, isn't it?
Fucking awesome, innit?
Ugh.
Quick change that, wasn't it?
Ugh. Right. Starting this footing here now. Yeah. Totally underprepared for this. I've only brought my old grandfather's shovel. I hope it doesn't break on me. Go on then, one more. So there's only enough materials here to do one mix of concrete. See how this goes, yeah? Hi. Probably shouldn't be filming this. Anyway, earlier I was saying about this and all that, yeah? It's wrong. The finished floor level of this garage is going to be the same as what's in the main house, not the porch. So the makeup of this to the main house is 230mm. So we just found, me and the joiner found that out about lunchtime. So that's why I needed to know with the lintel heights. So what they're going to do now is going to put 100mm insulation down and lose the, is it 50mm out of level in the concrete. So we're not going to put a floating floor, it's going to put a concrete slab down. They've asked me to do it. So this was a one-day job coming here today, but because of not knowing what the heights are, we put the concrete in, we've hacked the reveals of the garage. Show them, Sean. Whilst we were waiting for the joiner, or knowing what's what, we've made cleaned the mixer because we didn't know what was what. Then we knew what was what. We've made a mix with that whisk. Then yeah, we know what we're doing. Yeah, so I'm here tomorrow, So 1 day job's gone to 2 day job, plus they want me to do the concrete some of the time. So it's 3 days. Like my schedule isn't busy enough. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that. We get it rough, but we get it smooth. Oh, did I see that hinge there? Take that by the side and skip it, Sean. It's glass, isn't it, okay? It's heavy. It's quite heavy, that. You grab one end then. Okay. Got it? Got that end, yeah? Yeah. Do you want your gloves? You alright? Do you want your gloves?
Alright.
Like a drowned rat here. So it's day 2 on the garage, and there's a wall plate to go on that. Pulled in reinforcements today because I know the weather's a bit iffy and I just need to get the job done. Need to get the job done. That is the mentality when you're doing stuff like this. Honestly, making a rod for my own back here in terms of my health and safety career. That's actually acting as a handrail. I'm working off these slabs here, I am. Anyway, so what I'm doing now is I've transferred that level from that top of wall, so the wall plate sits on that to here, and it doesn't quite work to gauge. So what I'm going to do is use 3/4 of these red brick, just I'm bumping up to get to gauge, otherwise it wouldn't be the same. Then I've got a lintel to put on here onto that pillar. Good coffee, good coffee. Right.
You're fucking weird.
Time to get this bad boy in here. Now it works out so far, I got 115mm bearing, however the window here is a 1500, so there's going to be block pillars, and we will patch up underneath. Okay, right, let's get it up here.
What are you doing? Putting it on the scaffold and the block there.
Pick it up, David. Not sure, get the middle. 1, 2, 3.
It's not that.
get in the middle.
How's it
Just
going?
jump him in here now.
Can't stand it.
What?
Yeah, you can. Right, just level that.
How's it going?
Let me.
Like that?
Yeah.
Am I?
Okay, better done. As strong as you can now. Okay, let me get it. Here. Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh fuck, these blocks are going to go.
Right, wait.
I got it.
Put it down. Or what?
Put it down, no. Come on now. Big lift. Ah.
Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Yeah, passed out then, yeah.
Nice.
Fuck. Okay.
I actually nearly passed out, yeah. I'm dizzy, yeah.
Whoosh. Heavier?
No, it's awkward, I don't usually say it, yeah. Just gets a flex.
Yeah. Sound. Hey Sean! You know they say, don't you? Valentine's Day isn't just one day in a relationship. It's 365 days. Top tip when you're taking these tiles out the pallet, the thing wants to go after a bit, so holding on for dear life there. We are back in Llangefni and it is moist, very moist morning. So this house is bungalow's done. This house is pretty much done, bar a little pediment in the front with a bit of blockwork with the windows. So Craig's on that this morning. Me and Joe are going to start a brickwork on this. So Thursday today, so we're here all day today and half day tomorrow. Craig was in Llanddonna yesterday with Jack and Ed on the gable ends. They're carrying on there now, finishing the gable ends, and we got concrete on that job in Menai Bridge tomorrow afternoon. So we'll be here in the morning, and then Joe and Craig are going to go back on the gable ends tomorrow afternoon. So we'll do half a day here. Yeah, and then starting that job in Benllech on Monday. So, is there a point to film what we're doing? Because honestly, you've seen it all before. It is basically, this house is the same as that house is the same as that house is the same as that house next door. So what I could do is just basically, honestly, it's like a robot. What is different? What is different? The weather. My hair. Do I need to cut? I don't know. Sean, what's different?
Everything's wet.
Everything's wet. Okay. Just trying to tell everyone that you know, that we build these houses and they're all the same. Everything's the same. But what is different? You're obviously the same.
Yeah.
Oh, placed an order on some merch, not to sell to the, oh, it's not the hot trowel merch, it's just like basically we're going on all these sites and everything now and we're all looking like scruffs. Thought we'd especially Matty and Kieran, no offence lads, but well, I'm probably the worst myself, so I want to just try and get everyone looking a bit tidier. But I will inquire about some hot trowel merch. Ooh. I know my dad would wear it. Oh my god. Oh, who's he? What's that? What are you wearing over there? Oh my god, I need one of them hats. I tell you what hasn't changed. Colonel Corbel in the house, or building the house. So I'll tell you why Colonel Corbel is Colonel Corbel. When you build a house here, flipping fantastic timber frame houses, right? Oh, sorry, that's a door. You have to maintain a 50mm cavity. All well and good if the plinth allows you to give for that, yeah? So, see what we've got here. Okay, off the block, get your tape. I don't know why I'm posting this, because, okay, now then, a bit awkward whilst I'm holding the camera. Okay. I'm at 135. Yeah, you see that? 135. Yeah? Now, the fire socks, if you do a 150 cavity, the fire socks will push the wall. So as you're building, you've got to put these fire socks as a fire break of each house. They'll push out the brick and block work. So we like to do 155, 160, no more. 160 is nice, but 155 is nice. Definitely anything, 150 is a bit too small. Anything not lower than 150 is gonna push you all out. So I've got 135, 140 at a push. So I need to corbel over about 10mm at least here tonight. Now this is where the windows and doors are, okay? So it needs to be that. However, on the gable end where there's no windows and doors, no fire socks, you can probably get away with having a smaller cavity. It's not ideal, it's not great, it's not big, and it's not clever. The joiner's turning up here now. Anyway, that is all.
Gotta take a little time.
Yes. Prevent yourself from needing any medical pill. So the other side was done Friday. It's what, 12 o'clock now, going off to another job. So it's 12:30, we're going driving through Penmynnydd on the way to Menai Bridge. Oh, building. And concrete's coming at 3, we've got to sort out a drain pipe. We've got a visqueen, insulation, visqueen again, and concrete at 3 o'clock. So 100% pushed for time, but that's what we like to do. Yeah. Also, my speakers in the van have blown this week, God knows how. So I'm listening to these little things here. Look, listen to this now, full volume. Horrible.
Get away with your camera.
So the job we got here is a pipe to come up here now, and we've got some pipe bedding, and then we've got this screen insulation. You want to get them bricks out for me please, Sean, and then clear this as best you can and get the vis screen in here to roll, please mate. Spot on. Oh, and ask the guy for some lube. Go and ask him, can I have some lube please? Okay. Oh, do you want a bacon and egg sandwich? No, I don't eat red meat, I'll give you double egg. Yes, bloody please. Look at this here now. Who's this? James Saxon, branch manager in Hughes Grey Gairwen. Look what he sent me. He's photoshopped my face onto the window grip. That is bloody brilliant. On the old Azzy. Be warned, gas pipe, just cutting it, lined with asbestos inside. I think that's asbestos, isn't it? What do you reckon? Smells like asbestos when I was cutting it. Tastes like asbestos. Oh yeah. Oh, job now. Oh my god, look at power, 100. You're gonna get on that, lad, that's quite good. Go on, Sean, get in there.
What, how are we cleaning it up?
How are we cleaning up? I don't know. Well, you figure that one out. So this pipe that we had was slightly broken, but it's broken properly now. And the guy's going to go and get a new fitting. So I don't know what happened to it, but it broke even more. So just what we need at this hour. Yes, fantastic, super, fantastic. Building inspector is happy for me to take photos, but even better, post it all over YouTube. Oh yes. Oh yes. Lovely. Educating the people. Volume 1. So what I've done, yeah, I've transferred, I know what the finished floor height now is in there, and I've transferred it so that this pipe is with the concrete. However, I've done it slightly higher, so it's about there, what's that, it's 10 mil higher, so I need to keep my concrete 10 mil height lower than this. Okay. weigh like, well, 35 next week, but 34. Just realising about this tool. It's a saw for insulation, yeah? No dust. Look at this. How's it on that side? Amazing, yeah? Got a piece there missing there, so all perimeter is in, looking good. Concrete here. Nah, mignon. Oh yes, we're all go. Got some happy customers over here. We've got one hell of a sweaty builder. Don't drop anything on my head, alright? I'm doing concrete. Right, let's get this on. Let's just check now, because this was 10 mil. 10 mil. Up there it was, wasn't it? Put it on that. Where is it? So it needs to go down. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So that's still right, yeah? Yeah, put something over that. Just gonna keep plastic bag. Get one of them plastic bags there, shove it in there, Sean. And then put a brick on it, please.
You're asking me to do that over there, aren't you? 4 foot in the grave. J foot in the grave. You're asking me to do something, I'm doing it, and you're moaning that I'm using the saw? Why are you all fucking blue? Hi, honey!
Oh, go on. Is that my gas or what? What? Are we doing it here, are we? Yeah, go on. Just final clip of the week, sweating. That's it. Didn't have time this week to do any of this, but I made time. Snowing sawdust here. I mean, I guess that's alright. Let's have a look at it down here. It's in. It's level with a laser level. Probably could have done with a easy float, but I'd be here till God, midnight trying to get that like glass. But anyway, next week starting that other job. I'm gonna have a half day Monday. I'm having a day off Tuesday. I'm going to see the monkeys in that Knowsley Safari. I don't know, Liverpool's, isn't it? Then work Wednesday, my grandmother's funeral on Thursday, work Friday. So what's that? 1.5 a day, 1.5. Oh my god, 2.5 days I'm working next week. Yes. Right, do you want to say anything, Sean? Huh? No. Catch you in the next one.